Hi ladies, Christine here, and I just wanted to jump on here very quickly to give you a preview of the September Flexi of the month. It's been online now since the 1st, and the stylist got a shot at it, a couple days beforehand, and it sold out immediately for the stylist. I didn't even get any smalls, and I was only half an hour late for when they released. But it's today's the 4th, and they're already sold out in the rose gold of the mini, small, and mega. So they are flying off the shelves, and they're also sold out of the U-pins. I just want to show you this clip. It is gorgeous. Well, I'll show you in my hair. Isn't that pretty? It's just a rose gold. It's called Posy. And here it is to show you there. This is a medium, and that's what I had in my hair right now. But they have it. I did get a mini. It would look so pretty, and just a little bit back or at the end of a braid. But this is the rose gold Posy. So they also came out with the U-pins. Like I said, these are sold out online. I have a couple. Now these are not the stylist exclusives. And this is not a social street fair. I'm just letting you know and letting you see these. You get a set of 2, but they are the pricier points, so they're 24, or excuse me, no, 22, I believe. Oh, 20 online. I got confused, I think. But beautiful. Now they do still have the gold or the brass. Okay, here's the brass and the U-pins. Still gorgeous in the hair. If you need any gold jewelry, some of you might have just a couple gold pieces of jewelry you use. This would be a great flexi to have for that. So this is the small. Okay. And then we also got some new releases. Now, some of my order I didn't get until the 1st, or I wasn't able to place until the 1st, so it's just shipped today. So I should have it by the end of the week, and I'll jump on when I get those too. But I did get one of these. We had it was a Survivor Flexi challenge where at some of our regionals we're able to make our own flexi. I got to make one for myself, and then it got put into a contest, and then the stylists voted on the ones I liked the most, and they picked the top 3 to release and to be put in the catalog, and this was one of them, and it was named Ethel. And I don't know, I need white, something white. Grab one of my candles. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. If you can see, it's a real light peachy pink beading with the silver. It's really beautiful. A very subtle, soft pink that looks great with grays. I don't know if you can see that on there. It looks like my lighting's a little dark down lower, but beautiful clip. And that's called Ethel. And there's a couple others. There's a fairy and a hummingbird also that were released, and one's in blue and green. I think that's the fairy, and then the hummingbird is also some darker pinks. Very, very pretty clips. I can't remember the names yet, but I'll show you them. I'll show them when I get them. The other big thing I wanted to let you know about, and I know some of you are going to be very excited to this, is that we came out with a sports line. Right now we have football, basketball, baseball, and soccer. And I only got the one with this order, but I've got several more coming. But this one has the football. I picked gold because I can use it for my beloved Mountaineers and Steelers. So they come in all the basic sports teams colors. They have 2 shades of blue and more a navy and a royal, red, black, orange, gold, green, orange, I said orange, red. So the basic sports colors you can get in those 4 sports. More sports may be coming down the road, and you can combine if you want to. I just saw someone put like an extra small or a mini up above in one color, and then the coordinating color down below for a ponytail. So they were able to incorporate both colors. But you could pick one in the gold or well, if your Mountaineers gold, or the navy blue, which I think is more the Mountaineer blue, or black for Steelers, or whatever team you support. I will happily get one for you. Or you can go online and order, and those are, as far as I know, there's still plenty of those. The only thing that was the Flexi of the month, when I put FOTM, if you're wondering what's an FOTM, Flexi of the month, every month we come out with one design that's available from the 1st until the end of the month, or when it sells out, and this one is going to sell out. So if you wanted one of those, get one soon. Or contact me if they're already sold out of that one, because I have a couple, not a lot. So let me know and contact me. But I just wanted to show you those things and just jump on here real quick to let you know they're going to sell out rose gold really quick. So if you need anything or you want to support your local sports team with the Flexi, but if you have a cheerleader or even if your coach is okay with you playing it, this holds your hair so much better than a ponytail, more comfortably. So if your sports players would allow it, some of them won't allow any kind of metal. They have to use the elastic bands, unfortunately, some of them. But check, and maybe you can get these for your team or your squad. If you want, let me know. We'll make it happen. All right, thanks, ladies. Bye.